My name's Andrew, and today we're gonna Reka lamb and beef Turkish style kebabs.
I'll buy you a kebab, and I can't believe that I'm sharing a kebab with the most beautiful girl I have ever seen with a kebab.
Let's roll through our ingredients. We have here 2 pounds of grass-fed lamb, ground lamb, and 1 pound of Angus beef ground. I have 1 yellow onion, I have a garlic, I have a green bell pepper, a red bell pepper, I have an Anaheim pepper. You don't want to go too spicy, so an Anaheim's that mild in the middle. Half a tablespoon of chili flakes, half a tablespoon of smoked paprika. I have 3/4 of a tablespoon of garlic, onion, salt that we made in one of the Reka recipes recently. So let's start bringing this all together. We have our chopped up Anaheim peppers, our green pepper, our red pepper, onion, and 4 large cloves of garlic. They're all now gonna go into my Vitamix. We're gonna blend those. We don't wanna puree them. We just wanna have small chunks. So you gotta be really careful that you just pulse and not puree. Let's go. So given this now a light blending, I'm going to bring these out, and I want to strain all of those juices out so I can be left with those heavy chunks of vegetables.
You like the juice, eh?
I have most of my vegetables, all these peppers and onion, ground up really well. If there's some large pieces, I'm gonna put those in anyways, because you're gonna see I'm gonna be chopping again with knives just to blend everything. I'm gonna take handfuls and I'm gonna start squeezing them like this, and then putting them over into the bowl with all the meat. So you can see there's a lot of juice still coming out.
I get you more juice.
I know what you do with all this juice. If you know what to do with all the juice that's coming out of these vegetables, maybe it's a vegetable broth or a stock, you let me know. Tell me in the comments below what you would do with all of this juice. I mean, like that's a few cups of vegetable juice right there.
You like the juice, eh?
Right, so I'm just gonna give these a quick chop. Taking my gloves, now you see why I have gloves on, and I'm literally gonna get right in, down and dirty. Mixing all of this through. I'm gonna start folding like I'm dealing with a piece of dough. So now I'm gonna take the bowl to the side. Taking my big carving butcher's knife. Folding. Folding.
You gotta roll this way.
This way. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Like this. I'm literally gonna take this, and I'm gonna turn it round. So you can see we've still got some large chunks there. We could of course use other things, but I just wanna be as authentic as we possibly can. And almost destroy my forearm.
I decided to become a professional arm wrestler.
Taking our chili flakes, I'm just going to evenly broadcast those. I want you to think about this like it's dough from bread. So I'm just gonna knead all of these ingredients and spread the flavor through as best possible. Taking our salt. I wanna make sure all that paprika and the chili is able to blend its way through. Okay. So now I'm going to rest this for the next 20 to 30 minutes and just allow those flavors and spices to work their way through the whole ball of kebab mix. I'm gonna prepare a couple of sides to accompany these to their fateful doom above the fire. Let's bring these kebabs together. Now, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some Turkish kebab spears.
We'll make spears. Hundreds of them.
You're gonna need a bowl of water. Some gloves are preferable. We're gonna dip our fingers in there, and we're going to take a handful, and I'm gonna work it across from about here to here. I've measured it, and that's where it needs to be. It needs to be able to sit in the middle there, because I'm just literally simply using an aluminum tray with some charcoal briquette coals. So let's get busy. I'm gonna wet my fingers, and I'm going to take a pretty solid chunk, and I'm going to work that into the middle, like so. So the trick is you want to leave a little bit of a indentation there, almost to form like little ribs, little riblets. And that's going to grill. So let's make a bunch of these. I have the kebabs now on the skewers. Let's go put them over the coals. So returning now from our grill, we have these amazing Arab, like the smell is just, and we're just simply gonna, dude, that is amazing. Listen, wait for it, ready? This is super exciting. The smell is driving me crazy. The hummus is just phenomenal. It's beautiful. It's chickpeas or garbanzo beans, depending what part of the world you're from.
It's a lifetime supply of hummus.
We have our salad, and of course our 2/3 lamb and 1/3 Angus beef kebab. So without any further ado, let's taste some. And we're gonna just wipe a little bit here. And in a second, I got a bunch of friends that are standing around that are gonna be coming in, and we're gonna eat this family style. So this is gonna be a good night. Ready? Here's to us. Here's to good life, here's to good health. This is freaking insane. What I just tasted right now, the combination of that, I would rate that at the top of the chart for any Mediterranean food I've ever eaten in my life. Guys, you need to do this at home. Stop hitting up fast food on the way home. Try and figure out how you can get outside your box, follow these simple instructions on this recipe, stretch your boundaries a little bit, stretch your adventure levels, and make some food at home. This is a great starting point for you. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video and if you're enjoying this channel, please subscribe to the channel. Please drop a comment below and give us a recommendation on a recipe that you would like me to have a go at. So thanks again for watching. Have a wonderful day. I'm going to be in Turkey for the rest of the evening. That's freaking nuts, dude.